Hello, welcome to Adobe Tutorials. Today we are going to create this. Open After Effects CC 2018, click on New Composition, select Resolution 1920 into 1080, and set duration to 8 seconds. Name this composition as Main Comp. Click OK. Drag the two items to the project. Download link is in the description. Drag the BG image to the comp and fit it to the comp screen. Now drag the logo layer to the comp and place it on top of the BG layer. Right click on the logo layer and select Pre-Compose. Enable Move All Attributes and name the pre-comp as Logo Comp. In the logo comp, you can replace it with other logo or with text. Click on Toggle Switch to show more layer options. Make the logo comp 3D. Press S to open scale properties of the layer. Put a keyframe at the beginning of the timeline and move the key to about 1 second. Now scale it up to about 3000. You will see a new key is added at the beginning of the timeline. Now add CC Radial Fast Blur effect to the logo comp. Select all keys, right click on it, select Key Assistant, and then click Easy Ease. Adjust the keys in the graph editor. Now add CC light sweep effect to this layer. Animate the center of the effect by adding keys. Follow my steps. Now go to Effects, Transition and then click on Card Wipe. Add a transition completion key. Starting key will be 0% and the ending key will be 50%. Increase the rows to 50. This will be the final result. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you in the next tutorial.